SUNLUX adheres to the quality policy of striving for excellence. Based on automatic identification technology, developed own core algorithms and produce a series of barcode identification equipment, electronic shelf label, LCD signage, WMS intelligent warehousing, photo curing 3D printing. Park operation with independent intellectual property rights. SUNLUX core products cover from retail to catering, from industrial manufacturing to healthcare, from warehousing to logistics to transportation, from smart office to O2O operations, covering all segments of the IoT. Use the power of technology to connect everything and release to certain digital productivity. Rely on outstanding technology, high-quality products, good business reputation, and other unique advantages. SUNLUX marketing network has covered more than 30 provinces in China and more than 80 countries and regions around the world. SUNLUX keeps exploring unknown, empowering technology and connecting the world.